Welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing the topic how drone works and what is the science behind it. I got this new drone recently and I can say you this, I fell in love with this. I love it so much. It's not very professional drone, but it's a good starter drone for me. And I just ride these for fun. And like me, I have wondered many times, how does a drone work? Well, I've gathered my research and I would love to learn you about this wonderful topic. So, drones, how they work is they have 4 propellers and 4 motors. And these propellers are really useful. So here there's a motor in every single under the blade. You cannot see it, but there's a motor, and that motor powers the propeller. They spin so fast, and they spin so fast, these all 4, that it can able to lift the drone, and it is very lightweight, and you don't have to put too much spinning for it to lift it. And it takes so much power. It is so light, but it takes so much power to lift the drone. And the blades don't just spin in one direction. It just spin like anti-clockwise or clockwise. There are different motors with different clockwise or anti-clockwise. This moves clockwise. This too moves clockwise, and this moves counterclockwise. And if this all spin in one direction, the drone will spin. And if it's all like clockwise and counterclockwise, it is balanced and it can hover. And what is hovering, you ask? Well, hovering is the term of levitating the drone, staying in the air. They are staying as gravity pushes it down, and the weight, the propellers push it as the gravity and the weight is equal to the pressure it's pulling up. So it will stay hovering. And how do they move forward and the sideways and backwards? Well, the drone has to move like this. And why do we need to do that? You can just go like this? No, you can never do that. A drone cannot go forward like this. It needs to bend down, then only it can move forward. How that happening is these 2 propellers will slow down, causing it to tip forward, and this will cause it to go faster, and this will go forward as the mechanism behind it. It pushes it forward. And we can also say about backwards, this propellers are less, and this is going at a fast rate, so it will tip over like this and go backwards. Same like sideways, these 2 blades will slow, these 2 blades will go fast and going like this, and same like this. Now you get like going like this and going like this. What is the components? What are the key points of a drone? First, there are sensors, there are motors, and there are blades or propellers, and there is other called RC controller or remote controller, that is a device that you controlling the drone. And also it has batteries and etc. And also it has a receiver, which the remote controller puts radio waves, and the receiver will get that, and it will tell the drone to go forward and all of the actions. You can also do professional tricks like flipping and all. If you have watched this video up to here, you might know the mechanism behind it. already. Now that you know what a drone is, I'm going to show you a school shot of my drone. You can see my drone right here, and I'm going to fly this in my house. You can see now, and the blade is moving in a fast rate, and I'm going to lift this up in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, it's hovering, and if I go like this, it's going sideways, and it goes tips and up. If I want to move forward, it tips over. And there are also, I will show you a cool trick. You see that? That's so cool. And the mechanism behind it is also cool. See, now you can see it hovering. Now you saw how a drone works and the demo behind it. And this is how a drone works. I showed you the demo and an explanation. So whenever you find one, you will never have the question to yourself, how does a drone work? As this video cleared it all. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you subscribe and like this video. I know it's very late to say this, but Merry Christmas. Bye.